Hi, I'm Brent Curry, Web Marketing Specialist with Tiny Frog Technologies. Today is the third part in our four-part series about Google Analytics. We're going to talk a little bit more about some of the metrics and definitions of the terms you're going to see today. Specifically, two metrics that are key engagement metrics. That is pages per session and average session duration. So this gives you a sense of how much engagement you're getting from your site from various visitors. So let's talk about pages per session. So pages per session is exactly what you would expect it to be. So someone comes to the website, how many pages do they typically view while they're engaged with the website? So this is a great metric because depending on what report you're starting from, you can get a sense from the intro page of the website or maybe a source of traffic, referral versus paid search versus organic, as to what tends to be more engaging, who's visiting more pages, what page is encouraging people to see more pages, etc. So it's a great metric to look at. Average session duration is basically a measurement of how long someone stays on the site when they do visit the site. So again, looking at the various sources of traffic or where someone might be coming in on the site, this gives you an idea of how engaged are they, or how deep are they digging through the site, how much time are they spending on those pages. So when you compare those different sources, you can get some insight into where rich sources of traffic are coming from and maybe why there's more engagement. You can begin to dig into some of those nuggets. So next we'll be doing the fourth in our four-part series where I'm going to talk a little bit about bounce rate and explain what that all is, because I know it's a confusing metric. Again, if you have any questions about search engine marketing at all, please give us a call.